everyone, my name is Mary. You're welcome back to my channel once again. And you must have been wondering, what is she doing here? I'm in my shop. The shop has been open and we are doing sales for spring stroke summer. So I'm wearing this gorgeous, beautiful looking necklace. I have them a lot in stock. If you're interested, please stop by and buy. I know you will love it because I am loving it. I am rocking it, yes. So thank you so much for all your support, subscribing to my channel. And for the new ones, thank you so much for stopping by today. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy what I'm going to be teaching you today. We are going to be doing a beginners friendly tutorial. It's going to be on how to add dots to this lovely dress. A dot is a way of giving shape, you know, to a dress. And for you to add a dot to a dress, sometimes this particular one doesn't have any dots, but I'm going to put only at the back because the front is has embroidery and it's okay, it's fitted, it's a free dress, play dress. So I'm going to be adding that at the back. So what I'm going to do here is to divide this back into two. I'm going to take this dress to my ironing table and divide them into two like this. Meanwhile, let me pin it so you can see exactly what I mean. So now I'm going to go ahead and iron this center back all the way down. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to use the bust span measurement of the front to determine where the dart is in front here. So I'm going to do that before I take it to the iron so you can have a clearer understanding. This is the center back. I'm not going to hold that at the back. I'm not holding that at the center back. This center back is just a way to help me to understand where I should insert the actual dart. This is actually the front measurement. So I will mark 10 here. So I mark 10 here. And I'm going to use my pen, 10 inches, and I'm going to be marking 10 inches downward as well, to mark 10 inches downward as well, but because it's back and it's very long, I'm going to be marking 11 inches. So from this back, and then I'm going to skip 11 and I'm going to find the middle line and mark for the dot. So 11 divided by 2, 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. I'm also going to be dividing that by half because it's 1 inch dart, so I'm dividing it by half to insert the dart. I'm connecting the dotted lines together. I'm going to be using my pin to transfer the dart to the other side of the dart area. Remember, I folded the fabric into two. So I'm turning it over and I'm going to mark with chalk where the pins are being inserted. I'll do the same thing by using my line to connect the dotted lines. Once that is done, I'll take it to the machine to sew. The actual time in making this tutorial is 20 minutes. If you are new into my channel, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and share, and continue to watch. It will really help me to grow my channel. So I'm sewing the darts, and once I'm done, I'm going to bring the fabric out and show you guys exactly how it looks. This is the finished look. It's gorgeous. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If this tutorial was useful to you, please remember to give me thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. And to the new subscribers, please do the same thing. Thank you for all your efforts to support me. I love you. God bless you. See you some other time. Bye.